In 2008, an armored car robbery so elaborate happened that it looked like a Hollywood movie. Anthony Curcio spent months planning the perfect heist in Seattle. He studied the Brinks truck route, timed the guards, mapped every escape route, but his plan was unlike anything police had ever seen. Curcio hired dozens of landscapers through Craigslist, told them to wear identical uniforms and meet at the same location as the armored truck. When the guards arrived, they found themselves surrounded by lookalikes. Curcio struck fast. Pepper sprayed the guards, grabbed $400,000 in cash. Then he vanished into the crowd of decoy workers. His escape route? An inner tube down the Tolt River. For weeks, investigators had nothing. The disguise was perfect. No witnesses could identify him. But Curcio made one crucial mistake. He forgot about his cell phone. Digital records showed his phone pinging towers along the exact escape route at the exact time of the robbery. The most elaborate armored car heist in history, undone by a phone in his pocket.